Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Today we look at the top 3 self-publishing platforms. Let's go! So if you're watching this video, you may be thinking about self-publishing or you are already on the self-publishing journey and you're wondering who should you self-publish with. Here are the 3 top self-publishing platforms. First up is Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is first on our list because it's easy to use and it provides you with a free ISBN. Another cool feature of Amazon KDP is that you get the ability to preview your book by launching the previewer. And this helps you as a writer to ensure that your book is properly formatted before it's released. Another great feature of Amazon KDP, and one of my favorites, is your ability to obtain a proof copy before publishing your book. This is an extremely important feature. By Amazon KDP providing you with a proof copy of your book, you are able to see exactly how your book will be laid out before it's sent to publishing. So if you need to make changes, you can make those changes before it gets to your readers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Moving right along to number 2. Lulu is another great self-publishing platform available to authors. It's user-friendly and like Amazon KDP, it provides a free ISBN. One cool feature of Lulu is that it allows your book to be published in various stores and also on Amazon. But unlike Amazon KDP, Lulu does not provide you with an online preview of your book. However, it does provide you with a proof copy, and that's the only time you are able to see what your book looks like before publishing. But one benefit that Lulu has that Amazon doesn't have is that they pay higher percentages to authors. So if you are concerned about payment, then Lulu may be the right choice for you. Moving right along to the third option, Draft to Digital. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Draft to Digital is another awesome option for self-publishing authors. It provides you with a free ISBN and it also allows you to preview your document. Unlike other self-publishing platforms, Draft to Digital provides you with an amazing feature which provides you with the ability to improve your book's appearance. It also provides you with the option to insert a dedication and copyright page, and this is something that the other self-publishing platforms do not provide. So if you are unable to do this on your own, then Draft to Digital may be the right publishing platform for you. So we've looked at the top 3 self-publishing platforms, and after doing my research, I found that they all had essential benefits to them. But for my purposes, I chose to go with Amazon KDP. Feel free to go check out my book Estates Made Simple and Estate Checklist, now available on Amazon. See the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Click the notification bell so you can be alerted of our other videos.